Imran Khan's lawyer Salman Safdar hopes for the acquittal of Imran Khan in the Toshakhana II case, saying that he would first like the special judge central to decide on the pleas for the acquittal of Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi in the Toshakhana II case. Then we should argue for bail in the High Court. Maybe the trial judge will give such a good decision that we don't have to argue for bail. It has been taken. Let me check. Ali Amin Gandapur. Ali Amin Gandapur will make an official announcement when the call comes. ****** Breaking news. Justice Sardar Ejaz Ishaq Khan's decision to ban political discussions in prison meetings of prisoners is requested to be immediately suspended. Rejected. Islamabad High Court Chief Justice Amir Farooq and Justice Tarman Rifat Imtiaz rejected the plea of Advocate General Islamabad.